If you're a parent with a teen and you want to teach them about money, but you're barely keeping up yourself, you're not alone. Most parents wish schools taught financial literacy. They don't. And most of us weren't taught either. So here we are, trying to prepare our kids while quietly panicking about our own finances. I'm Morgan, and I've built and exited multiple companies. I manage a 7-figure investment portfolio, and I started by teaching my own daughter good financial habits when she was 10. But here's what matters most. I lived through 2 revolutions in Egypt while living there and running my companies. Tanks on the street, banks closed, businesses frozen overnight, you name it. These money systems I teach kept my family and 35 employees financially stable throughout extreme chaos. They are stress tested under real crisis conditions. On this channel, I help parents and teens build strong money habits together. Every Saturday, I break down practical strategies for budgeting, saving, and investing. Real systems that work in chaotic months, not just perfect ones. No judgment, no jargon, just clear next steps you can use today. You learn how to build a family money system that actually sticks. Have calm money conversations instead of arguments. Give your teen a real head start without feeling fake. This is for parents who want to break the cycle of poor money habits and take their teens along for the journey. If that is you, subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And if you want to start right now, go to the link in the description for my free 30-minute money reset. It's a simple system to get your finances organized in under an hour. See you next Saturday.